Hi, in this video we'll discuss how to make a good start to a group discussion. The first thing you have to remember about starting the GD is that it's sort of a two-edged sword where it can help you to stand apart from your peers and give you the attention of the panel, or if you make a bad start it can really harm your chances right at the outset of the group discussion. Usually at the beginning of the GD, most of the group members are a little nervous, and this is where you can take a lead over the rest of your peers if you make a strong start. Now, making a strong start entails that you've got good content to speak and that you've got the courage of your convictions in taking the group to a new direction and laying a great platform for the group for the rest of the discussion. So not only will this showcase you as somebody who can be a very good leader, but it will also put you in very good books of the panel in you being a very confident person. Remember, you don't have to dissect the topic completely and discuss everything about the topic. You just have to give a very good start and a direction to the group. The 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes given to you before starting of the discussion should be ample time for you to frame your views and give a very solid start to the group. So remember to definitely try and take the initiative and be the first person to speak, but only if you've got something really relevant to speak. So in this following clip, we see the example of a person who starts the GD but speaks something totally irrelevant and fumbles this great opportunity of taking the lead.
Start.
Crime has a very deep relation with power and status. We can see that there are many high status people that do crimes and that commit crimes and get easily
So as we see in this video, here's a student who started the discussion, but neither did he have the confidence nor did he have any relevant content to speak of, and therefore did himself no good in the eyes of the panel. So remember, you must start the discussion only if you have something relevant to speak of, you've got the courage of your convictions, and you think that you can give the group a great direction, you can lay a great platform for them to carry forward the discussion. So in an ideal scenario, you should be in a position where you frame your viewpoint in the thinking time that you've been given by the panel, and should definitely take the initiative to start the group discussion, primarily because this is one of the best opportunities to showcase your leadership skills and to showcase your confidence to the panel. So we recommend that you should try and speak if you think you've got something relevant. However, at the same time, if you don't think you've got something to discuss, put forward, please stay quiet and enter the GD a little later.